guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, my name is Mo, and if this is your first time seeing this place, hi guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. So guys, as you guys can see from the title down below, we are apartment hunting. It's 2022. It's time to move. I moved from Nigeria. I moved from another country to the United States. I have been living here for a whole year now, and it is time to move. My lease in my current apartment is over. Like, the lease is over, and I have been apartment hunting, guys. I have been apartment hunting. I'm currently not even in school. Like, I've already moved but I am apartment hunting, so I already found my apartment. But I find this kind of videos very interesting and very informative. Like, when I was looking for an apartment, I tried to check in Maryland. I actually didn't find anything. Like, videos I found, like maybe just like 3 videos, like especially for Maryland. I live in Maryland, Baltimore, but I didn't find a lot of videos. Like, I didn't find a lot of things, so I was like, I have to make one video for this. I hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoy it. So in my hunt for this apartment, I actually use rent.com. I use Zillow. If you guys know, everybody uses Zillow. I use Zillow. I use rent.com. I use apartments.com. And what I was looking for in an apartment is something really close to Bowie, because my family lives in Bowie and I live in Baltimore, and that is like quite like a drive, like a 30 to 40 minutes drive, and I need something closer because I'm always home. I want my space, but I still want to be close to home. Almost home, like 60% of the time. Spend more time at home that I spend while I'm in my apartment, which is great. I'm looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, price range of like under 2K. I don't want anything above 2,000. Like, I first put my price in around like 1,515, but it's like that doesn't seem realistic enough. Like, the apartments I was seeing on rent.com and on Zillow were like, I was just like, nah. Like, for the 1.5 they were okay, but they were just like something was just off, and I needed to be between Bowie to Baltimore. I need it between Bowie to Baltimore. I don't want anything that is after, but anything that out of further than Baltimore, I don't want it. I try to make this video very detailed and very oriented for you guys. I try to find all the apartments and give you like the pros and cons of the apartment. What is it that's good about the apartment, what is not good. I think I've viewed at least like 15 apartments so far, but I don't know how many videos I actually did. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're looking for an apartment, and you guys, I can't wait for you guys to start watching my moving series, make sure you subscribe. So let us go to the first apartment. The first apartment we're looking at is the Social North apartment. Guys, this apartment is so beautiful. Even though it is out of my price range, it's of 3,200. It's a whooping 3K, 3,200. But with your utilities, it was so beautiful, guys. When I got into the video, I was like, oh my god. But this is like a student housing, because I'm currently in college, and like I just wanted something really close to school also. And this is in downtown Baltimore, exactly where I still live currently. I live in downtown Baltimore. This is like another school housing in downtown Baltimore. This is nice. I really like this place. Unfortunately, they didn't even have anyone available. Like, everything was already like taken, and also the closet space wasn't just for me. Like, closet space was really small. I was just like, I have a lot of stuff, and in my current place I have like a walk-in closet, and it was still not enough for me. So, but the place is really nice. Like, guys, can you see the living room is so big? The living room is so big. I love it. It comes with like all furnished, so if you're in college and you're looking for something, because it's like split, you can split it, because I wanted the 2-bedroom together. That is why it is 3-2. But if you want it like separately, it's like 1.6 per person. But this is so cute. The kitchen, everything about it is cute, and the view is actually nice. Guys, the next apartment is the Maryland apartment. This is also in downtown Baltimore. Guys, this apartment was just off about this apartment. It was a good apartment. It's located in downtown Baltimore. It cost like 1,500. That's like really around my price range. The only thing I liked about this apartment was the kitchen, and like it had gas in the utility, so like it comes with gas. You don't have to pay for your gas, but you pay for everything else. But there was just something about it that wasn't just working for me. It is a really nice apartment. It is really neat. Like, you guys can see, it is a nice apartment. It's good if like it is just, there was just something off about it, and that's me. And yeah, there was something off about the apartment. It was cute. The storage space wasn't going to work for me. The con about the apartment that the storage space wasn't going to work for me. The reason why I'm getting a 2-bedroom is because I need space, and also I need a space that people could, like, when I have like my family come over, like my mom comes over from like Nigeria and all that, but I want them to have a space to stay when they come over. So that's why I'm getting the 2-bedroom, because it's just me. But I need a space that when my family comes over they get. So but this is good if it was just only me, but just something about it, so no. So next apartment, this was cute, really cute, and it cost like I think 1,200 or 1,001 something. But guys, this apartment looks really nice. Like the model that was shown to us was, oh my god, it was so fine. As you guys can see, this is my friend. I have a friend Alice. We were just going around and checking everywhere out. Guys, it was so beautiful. It's just okay. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It was cute, really nice. It was literally, for the price, I was just like, oh my god, like let me just sign it today and go today, because it was so freaking beautiful. The second room was really tiny. The second room was tiny, and they don't have like, the storage space was really small. Guys, can you see, very small, like closet space, really small. But the problem about this was that the price was nice, but the con was that where it was located was very shady, and just something about, like, it looked too good to be true, because the model of the show really looks nice, but like if you moved outside the surrounding of the place, there was just something off about it. I just felt like it wouldn't be so secure, like, and I'll be living alone. I'm living alone as a girl, living alone in a new place that has nobody. I needed somewhere that is like safe. I just can't leave in a place, like, just the place, like everything about the appliances, everything looks really nice, but something about it was just like, no, like, so I also looked at the 1-bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom model. It is so cute. Like, if it was just the security of this place was worth it, I would definitely go for like the 2-bedroom or the 1-bedroom, because I just felt like for only me it's good. So next is the Gwen Oaks Landing. Guys, this apartment was small. I think this is like 1.3, on like really below my price. Like I said I wanted to go 2K. This was like 1,330, I guess. It was nice. The storage space was manageable. Like, it wasn't a horrible storage space, even though it wasn't going to, like, it was small for me, but it has like the 2-bathroom I wanted. The storage, the walk-in closet wasn't so bad. It has the 2-bathroom that I wanted, like I said earlier. The living room was okay, everything was good, but I hated the fact that this was like it's down, like the ground floor apartment. It was literally no sunlight. It was dark. This was like, and it was really bright outside on this end. Guys, can you guys see how like dark it was? There is no windows. This is the only kind of windows we have, which faces outside. So basically I have to be shutting every time I live alone, so this wasn't just going to work for me. Like, the outside is really, can you guys see the surrounding? This is like, it looks like a really safe area, really cute, really calm. But I didn't just like the apartment because of, it was a floor apartment, like a ground floor apartment. There wasn't sunlight, and guys, for what I do, I need natural sunlight. I really care for if any apartment had washer and dryer in it, because where I currently live, we don't have, there's no washer and dryer in the unit, but there is in like on each floor. So the same thing with this one, they had like in each building, like every 6 apartment had like a washer and dryer, which was fine by me. So she was just trying to explain that if I wanted a washer and dryer, they could like add this for me at an additional price. I was just like, the apartment wasn't just even giving me what I wanted you to give, but it was cute. I would advise apartment, like if you're someone that is cool, like, because this is in like downtown, this is also in like in downtown Baltimore, so in Gwen Oaks, so it's close to like Baltimore. It's really nice for the price. You pay all your utilities yourself, but like, this is a good apartment if you are starting out. Believe me, this apartment is nice. It is giving what it's supposed to give. I don't just like the fact that there was no sunlight and it was the ground floor. It wasn't just going to work. I need something better. So next is the village at Elk Ridge. Guys, this apartment is 1-6 in Elk Ridge. Elk Ridge is a little bit farther than Baltimore. Like I said, I didn't want to move out of Baltimore, but this was looking nice. Guys, this was like, I'm really considering this apartment, because when I saw it, I was just like, okay, I really like this. There's something about the apartment that like works for me. It also has a washer and dryer in unit, so come on, like guys, in unit washer and dryer. It has space. This is like the 2nd bedroom. It has like 2 closet space in it. so there's like space for like my stuff, and if anyone comes over. So this is the second bathroom, like the general bath that like second bathroom that anybody could use when they come over. And then this would be my room, the master. It has like a good amount of, like, the bathroom is a standard amount. It's okay, it's not nothing like serious. It's cute. The closet space works for me. It's deep. The room, it's not that large, but it's fine. And the environment of this is nice. Oh my god, I was just like, yes, yes, yes. And you just like the fact this apartment is perfect. Everything about the apartment is a checklist. Next, other one in Elk Ridge, guys. I fell in love with this apartment. I wanted to sign the lease of this apartment immediately. This apartment, I love this apartment so much. It's also in Elk Ridge. It's like 1819, which is under the 2K line that I'm going for. Guys, can you see the space in the living room? Comes with hardwood flooring. The bathroom is big. It's way bigger than any of the other bathrooms I've seen. The bathroom is bigger. My friend was like, oh, this bathroom is really nice. It's like, this place is, it has like it just basically has storage space. So this is going to be like the second bedroom slash office slash like room that anybody, when family comes over, they'll stay at. Good closet space, nice room. Everything about this place was just so beautiful. Oh my god. Then this was going to be my room, the master's bedroom. It is big, really big. Really nice storage space, guys. The storage of this place is huge. Can you guys see how big the room is? Love it. The bathroom is nice for me. Like this, what do I need? This is a good bathroom size. I love it. It's a standing shower. Fortunately, it's not like a bath, but I don't mind it. This is nice. This is big. I really liked this apartment, and I really wanted to stay. Like, I really want this apartment, but the only con of it was that it was in Elk Ridge, and Elk Ridge is more further away to Bowie than I would have really originally wanted. Guys, can you see I'm in the closet and it's so big? Like, it's the space from the closet outside is so large. It's insane for the price. I was just like, if I didn't have like family close by here to Bowie, I would just like immediately take this apartment. Guys, can you just see the living space? It is breathtaking. And this is just like the show model for the apartment. If I wanted to, I'm going to get this exact same apartment, but like in the high, like in the second floor. So it has a pantry, it has a washer and dryer, the kitchen all new utensils, like everything is basically brand new. This is my dream, one of my dream apartments. Like, I see myself living in this apartment, maybe not now, but soon. So next we see the Glendale apartment. This is in Lanham, really close to Bowie. Like, this is literally like 10 minutes from home. So it's in Lanham. This is really nice too. This is a 2-bedroom 2-bathroom apartment. I really like this. This is the apartment that everyone in my home was like, they are leaning towards, because it's in Lanham, it's close by. I'm literally home from home. Like, it's literally like every time you're going to work or passing, you have to pass through Lanham to get to where you're going to. So it's literally on the way home. It's nice. It has like this washer and dryer in unit 2. There's the kitchen. It has a pantry, not so big, but it's good. The kitchen is quite nice. It's not so spacious, but it's fine. It has the dining space that can take like, I think, 8 people. Really cute. And this is the first bathroom, which is like the general bathroom. It is so fine, guys. I walked in the place, I was just like, oh my god, I want this. I want to live here. Like, take me into this apartment now. So this is the second bedroom, which is going to be like the office slash the second room, which is good, which is really nice though. Like, I really like it. I really like this apartment. This apartment checked most of the things I wanted. It's in Lanham, close home, under my like price range, 1,830, which is like under 2K. And it's just really nice. I really liked it. Like, this apartment it just spoke to me basically. I really liked it. I really liked it. I really like this apartment. It is really cute. There was everything about the apartment was just checking all the boxes. So this is like the master bedroom, which it has 2 closets, which I haven't seen before. Like, it was nice. It has a whole walk-in closet. Then it has like the second closet, really nice. I really like it. There was nothing about the apartment I did not like. Everything about the apartment I really liked. It checked everything. The closeness to home, the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom that I wanted, the space, everything about the apartment just was working out for me. It was working out, but the only con about the apartment is going to be very far from my school. Really far from school. Like, it's going to be like at least every day. If I'm going to campus, I'll have to like 30 to 40 minutes drive to campus. So that is the only issue, because everyone was like, it's a nice apartment, it's the best apartment so far, but it is far from University of Maryland, and I'm a college student, so I have to think about that. So this is it. It is really beautiful. It checks every little thing. It has a balcony outside. Guys, can you see the surroundings, like where it's located? It is so neat, so clean, and so pretty. I was just like, wow, I would love to live in this place. Like, this place is so fine. So this is the apartment so far that I have, that I like took a video of to just show you guys. So if you're looking for apartments around like in Lanham, in Oak Ridge, you guys should try like Zillow and stuff and just find an apartment. But these are the apartments I have seen so far, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because this apartment that I showed you guys, I hope this was really informative for you. I don't know if I gave you guys all the things I'm supposed to give you, but yeah, I think I tried. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. We are going to start our moving process. I'm not going to tell you guys. You guys should guess down below which apartment I'm going to be going with. You guys should just like leave a comment down below what apartment you think I went with, like I actually signed with, because I really like all this. Like, I like most of the apartments I showed you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope this video helped you. I hope it helped you. If you are in Maryland and DMV area in Maryland and you're looking for an apartment, these are the things that I found, and I just wanted to share them with you guys. So bye.